Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to create a table and set the table layout and print out the QR code based on the table in FeedMe post system. Thank you.
Okay, first log into a FeedMe portal, then click on here, and click on post. Then scroll on the bottom, you'll see there's a table. Click it. So from here, you can create a table. Let's say for example, I want to add a table 1 until table 10. So I click add table. So I want to batch create multiple tables. So I turn on. Prefix means that the alphabet or the numbering before the table number. Let's say for example, I put T. Let's start from T01 until table 10. Then I click add 0 in front of the table name. After that, just click add. So automatically you will add table 1 until table 10. Then if you want to download the QR code, you can multiple select the table, or you can select all, then just click download QR code. So from here, you can select the design. Let's say you want to print in plain, or the logo, or the user guide, or 10 × 10 cm. And you can select the table to download it. Let's say I want to download the table 6, just click download. Then it will download already. So when you open, it will show like this. Furthermore, you also can search table. You also can apply filter based on outlets. If you want to delete table, very simple. Click on the table and just click delete. Then just click remove. Then table will be removed. If you want to separate based on the layout, very simple. Go to the post system and make sure this is online. And it will show like this. Click on the menu, go to setting, and go to table layout. Just click add. Let's say I got two layout. Let's say section A. So I can link the table. Let's say 1 until table 5. Confirm. Just click save. Then another layout which is section B. So I'll link the rest. Just click save. From here, you show like this. You show all the table A and B. If you want to print a dynamic QR code, which is allowed the customer scan and order within a time period, click and hold the table. Then you can click generate dynamic QR code. Then you can set on the time period. If you want to set more setting in dynamic QR code, click on the menu, go to setting, under the operation tab in dynamic QR code, you can turn on for single use, or you also can set for the duration. Like let's say I only allow for taking order within 1 hour. So you can put for the remark. In order to receive online order based on the table QR code, click on the robot here, click on notification. You can turn on the QR code order. If you turn on this auto accept order, which means that the customer scan order, then automatically will print into the kitchen printer. If you turn on this, means that customer need to do payment online, then it will print to the kitchen order. If you turn on both, means that when customer scan an order, then your cashier need to accept or reject the order. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Post,
Cari
find
Aseng.
Aseng.找post system,找Aseng.